I dressed like a sunrise, but my attitude is pure midnight.
This outfit costs more than my emotional stability. Worth it.
Half masterpiece, half chaos, fully iconic.
Blink twice if you need help, human. I clearly run this household.
Relax, Fierce, but I only roar before my morning stretch.
Let's bring videos to life and apply some narratives to our videos to make it more engaging with our audience. Wouldn't that be cool? Well, hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Ali, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply lip syncing in Grok for free. Just like the examples you've watched earlier, these are all generated in Grog and applied lip syncing so that they look more engaging and live to everyone watching them. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that for free, like I said. So I'm going to start showing you the steps. So now that we're logged into grok.com, what you want to do simply is click on the Imagine tab on the left side, and then at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the text box right next to it is the attach icon. Click that, upload, and I'm going to use a new image. So I'm going to double click and use that image right here, and then wait for it until it's uploaded. Now I'm ready to add my prompt. So before we apply the prompt to Grok and tell it exactly what we want to do, we'd like to get a professional prompt. In order to do that, we're going to have to head over to ChatGPT. And once you're on ChatGPT, this is what you want to do as your first step, is simply uploading the image that you're going to animate in Grok, and then tell it exactly what you want to do so that you get a professional prompt. So all I said here in my text, I want to animate this girl and make her smile, then point to the screen with one finger using her right hand and say her line. Obviously, I've said her line because I've already instructed ChatGPT that I'm working with Imagine, animating those images, and I wanted to apply lip syncing. So I simply just said, add her line. And then I also said, her hair is waving softly and the owl is looking curious. So this is the prompt that was provided. Now, here's the trick. In order to apply lip syncing in Grok for free, what you want to do is simply have your prompt, and at the end of the prompt, you want to add your text-to-speech part in between the smart quotation marks. So this is our prompt right here, including the smart quotation. And all I'm going to do is I'm simply going to copy all this stuff right here. And then I'm going to take you back to grok.com. And now that we're inside grok.com, I'm going to go to the text box where I have to paste my prompt right there. And this is with a dummy text where I need to replace this with my own. So I'm just going to remove that. And then I'm going to say something like, you really need to watch my previous tutorial, just like that. And then I'm just going to hit enter and wait for the result.
You really need to watch my previous tutorial.
Now you can see the result is pretty incredible, and it was so easy to apply that. I actually have an example for a couple that I'd like to show you, so let's watch it now.
I needed this break.
Perfect timing, right?
Now, in order to get a professional lip syncing and not really waste your trials, my recommendation for you is to try and keep your narratives as short as possible. And what I mean by that is because you only have up to 6 seconds per clip, you don't really have a lot of time to generate a complete script. It's only 6 seconds. So what you can do at this point in order to get a perfect lip syncing is to make sure that you provide short narratives. It could only be a couple of words. It could be a short sentence in order to get that perfect lip syncing without wasting your trials and having to wait for another day to start generating clips again and again and again. If you found today's video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and like and comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't watched my previous tutorial where I show you how to create up to or generate up to 50 video clips for free using Grok, be sure to click the link in the description, or the video is going to show up at the end of the screen. So once again, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.